Hi, I'm Professor Lynn Ritchey, and in this video we will be looking at the diversity in our sex and gender roles. Remember, our statuses are the positions that we hold in our groups, in organizations, and society, and roles are how we expect people who have a particular status to behave. Our statuses and roles connect us to our groups, our organizations, our communities, and our societies, and they help us to coordinate our behavior with others during interaction. All cultures have similar status. We've learned this. We have ascribed statuses and achieved statuses. We also learn that our ascribed statuses can influence the achieved statuses we are allowed to have in society and how people interact with us. And these are referred to as master statuses. Our biological sex is an ascribed status that is considered a master status. It determines what other statuses we can occupy and what we can do in a society. Many cultures continue to view biological sex as a binary system, where we have two sexes, male, female. Sex or gender roles are the behavioral expectations a society has for males and females. Sex and gender roles will regulate our activities and tasks, our same-sex relationships, and our cross-sex relationships. And gender role differences are observed in all aspects of our daily life and are culturally determined. We can see it with child rearing, our kinship, whether we are tracing our ancestor through the mother's line, the matrilineal line, or the patrilineal line, subsistence, what occupations are common for women and men within the society, warfare, often that's reserved for males. There are armies now that allow women combat roles, politics, who gets to decide the rules of our society. Oftentimes we see that dominated by males. Religion. Religion is a good place to find out about different aspects and expectations for males and females. Our education system may vary. Some countries might not allow women or girls to be educated. And we also see differences in the types of recreations that are available for males and females within a society. Doesn't necessarily mean males or females don't participate in different ways within the recreation, but for the most part, we can distinguish between male and female preferences in recreation. I think about dance recitals in the United States, and I very rarely see a boy child at a dance recital. I know that there are boys that dance, but compared to the dominance of girls within the dance recitals, it says something about who's expected to perform. We can also look back at Hofstede's National Cultural Dimensions of Masculinity for clues on how a society views sex and gender roles. Remember, high masculine nations promote values associated with males: achievement, heroism, assertiveness, material rewards for success, competition, and acceptance of violence and conflict. On the other hand, low masculinity nations promote values associated with females: cooperation, modesty, caring, and quality of life, and it's consensus oriented. And again, we can look at the world and we can see the lighter colors on this map would reflect more feminine oriented nations, and the darker colors, the more masculine oriented cultures. Remember, our values motivate our behavior. The last thing that we're going to look at with diversity is with the statuses and roles, and that's our societal hierarchies or our status hierarchies. Okay, we'll see you soon.